In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mark a customer invoice paid in Odoo accounting software. If you manage invoices in Odoo, you may occasionally receive a payment that you want to record so your accounting stays accurate. Marking an invoice as paid also helps you keep track of what is still outstanding and what has already been settled. To begin, open the accounting app in Odoo. On your screen, look for the main application menu, then select Accounting. This is where all invoice and payment activities are managed, so it is the correct place to make the change you need. Once you are inside the accounting app, you will see options for invoicing and payments, typically organized in a way that mirrors your financial workflow. Next, go to the Customer section and then Invoices. You will want to focus specifically on customer invoices, not vendor bills, because the goal is to mark money received from a customer as paid. In the Invoices area, you should see a list of invoices with details such as invoice number, customer, invoice date, due date, and current status. Take a moment to scan the list so you can find the exact invoice you want to update. Now select the invoice you want to mark as paid. Click the invoice entry so it opens. When the invoice opens, you will be able to review its current payment status and related information. This step matters because Odoo will use the selected invoice to ensure the payment is recorded against the correct document. If there are multiple invoices for the same customer, it is especially important to confirm you are opening the right one before proceeding. Once you have the correct invoice open, click the Register Payment button at the top of the screen. The location at the top is helpful because you do not have to search through menus. This button starts the payment registration process, and it usually brings up a form where you will confirm the payment details. After you click it, you should see a payment window or panel appear, ready for the information Odoo needs. After the payment form loads, confirm the payment details. This includes the amount, the payment method, and the date. Start by checking the amount first. Make sure the amount matches what the customer actually paid. If the invoice is partially paid, the amount may be smaller than the total, and that is still fine as long as it reflects the real payment. Next, select the payment method. This is where you choose how the payment was made, such as bank transfer or another supported method available in your Odoo setup. Finally, confirm the payment date. The date should reflect when the payment was received or when you want Odoo to treat it as received, depending on your accounting preferences. At this point, you have reviewed the key details that control how the invoice will be updated. Double-checking here helps prevent mistakes like entering the wrong amount or using an incorrect payment method. If anything looks off, it is best to adjust it now while you are still in the payment registration form. When everything looks correct, click Create Payment. This final action tells Odoo to record the payment and link it to the invoice. After you create the payment, the invoice status should update accordingly, reflecting that the payment has been registered. You may also see related payment information attached to the invoice, such as the payment record and its details, which can be useful for future reference. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.